Ebb, I believe you've written a song about the recent August floods.
Yes, Robbie, it always reminds me that after a flood you can go back into your house again, but after a fire all you've got is a pile of ashes. So I've altered the words of this song to suit the occasion, and now I'll endeavour to sing it for you. Another great disaster has came upon this land, down where the Lachlan River flows on its way so grand. 'Twas in the month of August, and Forbes was bright and gay, and folks along the Lachlan were happy all the day. And then the skies grew cloudy, and rain came falling down. For days the mighty torrents came pouring to the ground. The streams throughout the country kept swelling day by day, until the angry Lachlan was roaring on its way. And then there came a warning, the levees cannot stand, and brave men fought and struggled to save their native land. But still the raging waters kept pounding at the shores, until it broke the levees and into Forbes it poured. Oh, many homes were flooded, and brave men knelt to pray, as all that they had cherished was madly swept away. The world will gladly help them to pay the awful cost. No one can ever give them the treasures they have lost.